guys, it's DayViv Marah here. As you can see, I am bare because I want to show you all an eyebrow hack. Okay, normally I would go to European Wax Center, get these bad babies laid, and all I gotta do is fill them in. But we going through something right now in the universe, and there is no way I'm walking in Easter Sunday with these eyebrows looking like this. There's no way I'm gonna sit in the presence of the Lord at my house with my eyebrows like this. So I'm going to show you all how I shape and pluck and fill my eyebrows in, honey. So you too can be slaves for Jesus on the third day, which is Easter Sunday, okay? So stay tuned. I'm gonna walk you through it because we're gonna get through this together. And then when this is all over with, we can go back to our scheduled routine. But I'm here to help you. You want to remove the oil from your eyebrow. Boom. Okay. And as you can see, your eyebrow already have some kind of shape there. All right. It may be a little fuzzy because of all the new hairs, but I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. Now, disclaimer. I know how to do my own eyebrows because I've been doing eyebrows since 2014. If you are learning how to do eyebrows, whether it's shaping and filling, practice a little bit before you pluck, because once you pluck, the hair is gone. It's not coming back until a few weeks, okay? So maybe you want to start with practicing how to shape and fill without the plucking first. Me, I'm an expert. I know how I like my brows to look. I go into the wax centers with my eyebrows shaped already. I say, honey, follow the line. Just follow the line, because I used to go to the nail shop and get my eyebrows done. You know, one-stop shop, nails, toes, eyebrows. But then they was making my eyebrows too dang on skinny. So I say, you know what? Let me go in there with the shape that I want and have them to wax it in their shape, and I'll be satisfied. But due to extreme measures now, if you want to pluck, today you're in luck. If you're not that confident yet, I would say give it a few tries with just using a pencil and concealer so you know how you want your eyebrows to look before you take them off. Okay? Just a small disclaimer in there. Don't say I ain't tell you. Okay. You're not gonna be coming to me. Say, hey, you the reason why my eyebrows. No. Not on this good week, okay? So you're gonna take whatever you use for your eyebrows. Me, I have blonde hair, so I use a multitude of products so that my eyebrows do not look too dark. I like to outline with a brown pencil that's one up from my skin tone. Just I can see it, but I can't see it at the same time. So I like to outline with this. Going to use a little brush, a little spoolie. All right. Gonna brush them hairs up. Brush them hairs up. Okay, may have a little residue from the cotton ball, but it's okay. When you pluck, it's gonna be gone. All right. See, I have a shape right there. Okay, so I'm not a very hairy facial person, so I have to measure. All right, bridge of the nose. All right, so I got a little hair right there, so we're just gonna mark that. We're gonna mark it just so you can make sure you're measuring it the right. All right, bridge of the nose. All right, gave it a little mark. I'll wipe it off later, but I gave it a little mark. All right, you're gonna go across the eye. This is how you find where you put the arch. Okay, go across the eye. Across the eye. Boom. All right. That's when you know where your arch is. That high point in your brow. All right. Now we're gonna find the tail. We're gonna find the tail. Gonna go to the outer corner of your eyebrow. Or the outer corner of your eye. Right? This is where it's supposed to end. Comb those hairs up so we can see. Alright. I like to go under with like hair-like strokes. Just so I can feel in. Okay. Boom! See that? Got that little quick line under there. That's all you need. That's all you need. Quick little line. And then I like to do the tail. So you start here. Start creating your arch at the top. Break it all down. Boom! See that? That's my outline. This is what I'm gonna start with. Okay. All right, boom, outline done. Now let's say you practicing, you don't want to pluck. Baby, just go ahead, fill them hairs in, put a little concealer, you good. For me, it's time to clean up. So we're gonna sterilize our tweezers, okay? Because we are working with skin. Sterilize your tweezers. Y'all excuse me, my eyes are all over the place because I have 3 different mirrors and I'm also trying to make sure I'm looking in the camera. All right, so sterilize your tweezers. All right. Now, if you are at that level of trust where you trust yourself, go ahead. Okay, so I'm literally just gonna tweeze all of these hairs on the outside of the line. Like every hair that's not in line, about to get in line right now. I like brow pomade because I don't have a brow and it's the quickest way to fill it without wasting a lot of time. Under the brow, I tend to go a little dark just to define. And I do hair-like strokes. And we're just gonna go under, just to define. See how sharp that's looking? HD sharp. And we just bring it down if you want to. Alright, boom. Always make sure you blend out that concealer. Okay? Woo, child. They starting to come together. That's me blending it out. For the top, let's say you want to clean up the top, I'm going to use my foundation shade because it's not going to give you that glow-like effect. If you like the glow-like effect, keep doing what you're doing, baby. But I know me, I don't like the glow-like effect. I don't know if y'all can see. I don't know if y'all saw me do that. Right. Trying to put it so that you can see. Just trace the shape. And then, because it's your foundation, just blend it up. And voila, you have eyebrows. You have eyebrows. And this here, friends, is my natural eyebrow look. I cleaned them up, got rid of the unnecessary hairs, and put a little definition. And that's it. Ready to slay for the Lord. Okay. Thank you so much for watching my little eyebrow tutorial. As you can see, I like my eyebrows to look a little more on the natural side. Keep the natural fuzziness and all that good stuff. That's what I like. But if you want them Instagram brows, you just add another layer of concealer under there, another layer of foundation to really crisp it up to your standards. But these my brows. I'm ready to slay for Jesus this Easter Sunday in my house. But I hope this video helped you. This is great for beginners because perfect for beginners with the eyebrows. Perfect. And let's say I have some new techniques, I'll come back on and do an updated eyebrow tutorial. But this is just to help you remove the hairs right now, 2020. While we self-quarantine. Okay? You all have a great day. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I look forward to seeing you all again. Bye.